Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Probability. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. The given question is, a lot consists of 144 ball pens of which 20 are defective and the others are good. Nuri will buy a pen if it is good, but will not buy if it is defective. The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives it to her. What is the probability that she will buy it? What is the probability that she will not buy it? Guys, this question is again a very straightforward and very easy one. So let us see how we can solve this question. Now let us note down the things that are being in the question. As per the question, a lot consists of, as per the question, a lot consists of, as per the question, a lot consists of 144 consists of 144 ball pens, consists of 144 ball pens. This is being given in the question. Ball pens. Now, as per the question, they have identified how many pens are defective and how many pens are good pens. So, let us note those things also. Now I can write good pens. Good pens is equal to that we will identify, and they have given that out of this lot defective pens is equal to 20. That means out of the lot of 144 pens, defective pens are 20, and 144 is the total number of pens. So what we have, 144 is the total number of pens. That means I can write that the number of good pens is 124. So 124 will be the number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes in case the question asks us for good number of pens, and 20 is going to be the number of favorable outcomes in case the question asks about the defective pens. So just I am identifying these things beforehand so that we can utilize those things. And total number of pens is going to be our total number of outcomes. This is what we have, total number of outcomes. Now with all these things in hand, let us try to answer this question. The first part of the question is saying us that, what is the first part of the question? The first part of the question is saying that what is the probability that she will buy it. Now the question is also saying that Nuri will buy a pen if it is good, and the shopkeeper picked up a pen randomly and handed it over to Nuri. So Nuri will buy the pen only if it is good. If the pen is defective, Nuri will not buy it. This is what the question is saying us. So the first part of the question is saying that what is the probability that she will buy it. So the first part is, what is the probability? What is the probability that she will buy the pen. Now we know that beforehand the question clearly mentioned that if the pen is defective, she is not going to buy the pen. That means Nuri is going to buy the pen if the pen is a good one. So what we can do here, we can find out the probability of the good pen. So I can write the probability of the good pen. I can write the probability of the event is, because Nuri is going to buy the pen. As per the question is saying here that what is the probability that she will buy it. So when she will buy, when she will get a good pen. So let us look into the probability for good pen, or the event for the good pen. And we very well know that the probability of an event is given by number of favorable outcomes. Here the number of favorable outcomes for good pen are, or good pen is 124 upon total number of outcomes, and the total number of outcomes that we have identified earlier is 144. This is what we have identified. Or I can write probability of the event is equal to, or I can write the probability of the event is equal to 31 upon 36 if you solve this one, 124 upon 144, we will get 31 upon 36, guys. And this 31 upon 36 is the probability that we got. So this is the answer, or this is the probability that we got as per the question. So what is the probability? That C will buy the pen. We can write the concluding answer that the probability that Nuri will buy the pen, the probability that Nuri will buy the pen is 31 upon 36. Hope guys you understood what I did here. The question is asking us what is the probability that C will buy the pen, and we very well know that C will buy the pen unless and C will buy the pen only when it is a good pen. If it is a bad pen, C is not going to buy the pen. So we try to put our answer, or we try to put the event when it is good pen. So our event focused on the good pen. So for that reason, I try to find out probability of the event is equal to number of favorable outcomes, which is 124, upon total number of outcomes, which is 144. That means number of favorable outcomes is 124 upon 144. And when we solved this one, we got that the probability of the event is equal to 31 upon 36. So we concluded that the probability that Nuri will buy the pen is 31 upon 36. Hope guys you understood this till here. Now let us move ahead and answer the second part of the question. So let us see what the second part of the question is telling us. Now the second part of the question is saying us what is the second part of the question is saying us what is the probability that probability that C will not buy it, that C will not buy the pen or buy it. This is the second part of the question, guys. So the second part of the question is saying us what is the probability that C will not buy it. So when C will not buy the pen, C will not buy the pen when the pen is defective. Now we know that C will not buy the pen. We know that C will not buy the pen if it is defective. This is what we know. Now knowing this part of the answer, what we can do, we can find out the probability of the defective number of pens. If you look here, initially that we calculated out, or we found out that the number of defective pens. If you look here, we found out the defective pens, and I told you that this defective pens is equal to 20, and I told you this is going to be the favorable outcomes. If required, we need to use this one. Now we are going to find out the probability of the defective pens. After understanding the probability of the defective pens, then only we can say that C is not going to find out. There is probability that C is not going to buy the pen. If we find out the probability of the defective pens, then that is going to be our answer for the defective pens, where C will not buy a pen. Now guys, let us find out the probability of that one. So I can write now the probability of the event, particularly for this defective pens, is equal to number of favorable outcomes, which is 20, upon total number of outcomes, which is 144. 20 upon 144. Or I can write probability of the event is equal to 5 upon 36. If you solve 20 upon 144, we will get 5 upon 36. This is what we will get, 5 upon 36. Now this is the probability that C is not going to buy the pen. So we can write our concluding answer. Now we can write our concluding answer that the probability that Nuri will not buy the pen is 5 upon 36 is 5 upon 36. Hope guys you understood this what we did. Just as per the question is saying us what is the probability that C will not buy the pen, and we know as per the question that C is not going to buy the pen if it is a defective one. So for that reason we went ahead and we found out the probability for the defective pen, and probability for the defective pen is equal to number of favorable outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes for defective pen is 20 upon total number of outcomes, which is 144. So when we solved 20 upon 144, we got 5 upon 36, and that was our answer. Hope guys you understood this what I did, or the way that I followed to find out the answer. But still, if you have any questions, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.